Hello, thank you. So I am Christelle Poujol. I'm working on the Bordeaux Imaging Center, and I'm going to tell you the story about the technological transfer of the single molecule-based high content screening platform. So from the team of Jean-Baptiste Ibarita and Mathieu Saint-Lô from the Interdisciplinary Institute of Neuroscience to the Bordeaux Imaging Center. So this platform is a software enabled to do a single molecule imaging on fixed or live cells on a multi-well plate on multi-well plate, and it enabled to generate a lot of quantitative data analysis. And Mathieu Saint-Lô, who is a chemist, developed several chemical tools enabling to better use this multi-well plate tools and to perform acquisition on single molecule. So the transfer occurred in 2021-2022. And so it began with the development of the software by Marine Kabilik in the team of Jean-Baptiste Ibarita. And so she developed a plugin on Metamorph, enabling to image multi-well plate, several fields of view, Z stacking, multicolor, of course, everything. And so then the images are generated by Metamorph, and then a second plugin analyzes on live the detection and the localization. And then all is organized in several folders, like the name of the experiment, then the field of view, the image, and also the data concerning the localization and the detection. And with this project, so we recruit Adel Neos, who is developing right now, still developing, so a lot of statistic plugin and to analyze the data and to enable the visualization, and is also improving the cluster analysis. So three quick applications. So the first one is Magali did work with, in collaboration, so with the RTMFM group of a single molecule. And they try to compare several fluorophores. So in order to be fast and simple, I'm going to talk you only about the comparison between the Alexa 647 and the Jalinlia Farm 656, and so they compare the behavior of and the properties of the photophysics properties of this molecule. Here it's the typical movie they can generate. So you have to know that it has been done on several, of course, well, and so a lot of statistics can be generated from this kind of movie. And we can analyze different properties, such as the number of photons per detection, or the localization precision, or the blinking frequency. And all together, this result enabled to conclude that so far the Alexa 647 has a better detection intensity, a better precision localization, and a better blink frequency, which is very important. Especially if the structure is dense, like in the centrosome here, like you can see on this image. So the group conclude that the Alexa has better photophysical properties and for DayStorm, and so in particular, it's particularly true for dense structure. And so a second project is an ANR project that is right now running on this platform. And this project gather three teams, so the Bordeaux Imaging Center and the team of Jean-Baptiste, together with a two team of chemists, and the main goal of this project is to find a new photoconvertible molecule like MEOS in order to do a palm microscopy. So how can they find a new kind of molecule, photoconvertible molecule, with better photophysics properties? So they try to find the best mutation. These two chemists together try to find the best mutation using different technology. And then Mathieu Saint-Lô developed an irreversible anchoring method in order to be able to really decipher two molecules, to plug the two molecules far away enough so they don't overlap, the PSF doesn't overlap, and so to allow a standardization and reproducibility of the data. At the end, you obtain a movie like this with a blinking molecule on the entire field of view. And then the idea is, of course, to analyze this behavior of each molecule using a temporal and spatial thresholding to really separate in different cluster of detection. And so inside this segmentation, they are able to do some precise analysis of the different property, as you can see here, the different photophysics property of this molecule. For here, it's a representation of the work that has been done on several MEOS derivative molecule, so known molecule for the moment. And if you see red, so this heat map represents that if you see red like this, for example, for these properties, the photon per cluster, if you see red, it's a good bright molecule compared to blue. Blue indicates that there is no many photon per cluster. So with all of these tools, they will be able to find and to generate a new photoconvertible molecule. And the last project that is going to be developed on the system that has been transferred to the BEAC is an EURAS project. So EURAS project is a very ambitious project with 16 partners from 8 countries, and it's a collaborative project to tackle the neurodevelopmental rhazopathy. And so this pathology regroup several genetic diseases that cause a wide range of symptoms, going from the heart problems to neurological impairment. So we are going to focus on the neurodegenerative impairment in relation with SYNGAP1 gene. And when this gene is mutated, so the patient develops a neurodevelopmental problem. And why we need to use a single molecule and why we need to use high content screening, it's because we need to screen a lot of model, high quantity of model. And a single molecule, it's because in order to analyze a synapse, it's the size is under 1 micron, and so super resolution is mandatory. And so the objective will be to find a new therapy hypotheses and to characterize the synaptic nanoorganization of different genetic profile, and to screen effect of different drug. So there is 100 drug to be tested, so the system will be used. And so to conclude, it's the transfer enable us to recruit ADEL-NEOS. And we have done several transfers with the same team, so it's the fourth one. And there is a permanent interaction and feedback for improvement with the team of Jean-Baptiste. And so I present you 2 little projects in collaboration with Magali, that is running this project on the BEAC. And there is still ongoing development on the analysis interface by ADEL right now. Thank you.